Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most attractive women stylish cap designs, hat designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish cap designs, new and attractive designs and ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of cap designs. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful cap designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see. You can buy these very beautiful cap designs online, these websites in very reasonable price. You can wear these very beautiful cap designs with matching dress designs, matching dress colors, fantastic designs and ideas. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, botai, glitter. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish cap designs, beautiful hat designs, new and attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Stylish light colors, beautiful dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.